how to check and text button on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on device care. So you will see device care is here, so click on device care. Now here, scroll down and you will see second last option is diagnostics, so click on diagnostics. Now here, so click on phone diagnostics. So if you want to test button, so you will see button is here, so click on button. So you will see after 10 seconds. Again, so you will see button is worked properly. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can check and test button on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.